Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing essentials: your HDFC customer ID, the registered mobile number, and ATM/debit card for OTPs. Once ready, open the bank's net banking login page and enter your customer ID. This identifies your account. Make sure to use a secure connection and not public Wi-Fi. After you submit the ID, you'll be prompted for the password or OTP. Enter the temporary OTP from SMS if needed. Then proceed to the dashboard, where you can begin transactions and settings. Once logged in, immediately change any temporary password to a strong, unique one to protect your account. You'll also set profile details like contact number, email, and e-statement preferences. These keep you informed. Make sure login alerts and transaction SMS are enabled so you get real-time notices. Next, familiarize yourself with the layout. The accounts area shows balances, payments handles bills, and fund transfer is where you add beneficiaries and send money. Take a minute to click each tab to learn where functions live. To send money, add a beneficiary using their account number and IFSC, then confirm via OTP. This verification prevents fraud. After approval, choose IMPS for instant transfer, NEFT for regular transfers, or RTGS for large sums. Each has different processing windows and fees. When making payments, always review amounts and remarks before confirming. If something fails, first recheck the OTP and your registered mobile. Clear browser cache or try another browser. And if needed, call HDFC customer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.